Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to know someone blocked you on Gmail using a simple and practical method. If you're unsure whether your emails are reaching someone, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your phone or visit the Gmail website on your browser and log in using your email address and password. Step 2. Once you are logged in, tap or click on the Compose button, which is usually found at the bottom right on mobile or the left side on desktop. Step 3. In the To field, type the email address of the person you suspect may have blocked you. Step 4. Write a simple subject and a basic message in the email body, keeping it short and clear. A simple message helps avoid spam filters and makes delivery status easier to understand. Step 5. Tap on the Send button to send the email, then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner and select the Sent option. Step 6. Check the status of the email in the Sent folder. If it shows as sent, the person has not blocked you, but if it shows not delivered or displays an error message, it may indicate that you are blocked. This final check helps you understand whether the email reached the recipient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.